It's a rare day. It's sunny out in March. That's good. I like sunny. Hopefully we got a nice quick one today. We are working on that nugget way over there. Jenny going strong, as she do. We got nothing but the greatest, highest level of quality parts. You can tell by the way it's in a box, completely crushed and not looking good. But we got the whale pecker.
Beeper.
Whale pecker 3000 right here. Neighbors are already many questions about what's going on. That's already a good sign. Okay, how can I do this? The poor people are gonna have a seizure after this. Ugh. Tug. Oh, actually I just realized this is not gonna work well. I'm one-handed. Don't mind me using my head currently. There we go. Woo! Ta-da! So she's looking pretty good. Actually, this looks terrible, but she's running half okay. But we have this thing. Now this isn't a how-to because don't ever do anything I do. And tug that, and tug that. That's it. That's how we've been driving. How does it make you feel?
Safe. 100%.
Always. I have 100% trust in everything I do. So now, full disclosure, eBay, of course. No instructions. It should be pretty straightforward to get the tube and the filter on. That's pretty hard to screw up. However, it has things I don't know where they go for. So, chill. These cute little things. What? Ooh. I have 2 screws and 3 brackets.
Good, yeah.
And I don't know. Oh, I don't know how to make this one. So I don't have a good idea for this one. She may or may not have 3 brackets by the end of this. So we'll just tuck those right here. Oh, that's toasty. What the f are those? Yeah, I gotta figure this one out. So we spent more time than I like to admit trying to figure out how this thing goes together, considering it's basically 3 parts. So yeah, that's a rough one. It's a good behind the scenes. That's brutal to watch. So I think that goes there. I don't know. Then we have these that kind of go there, and then those get put there with these that are way too long. So could be very wrong, probably am, but that's, I guess, how that's going together in this car.
Yeah.
This is not a how-to. Do not follow anything I do unless it turns out really good. So somehow these get put like that. So we're using like 1-inch bolts on sheet metal. So once again, it's either an eBay thing or I'm really dumber than I think I am. Put those together in an L, put that onto there. That's it for today, fellas. Slap her together. Probably a good time to point out, I shouldn't have slammed this like the day before. Oh my god. A 1-foot snowstorm, which was yesterday. But now it's really, really warm out. But gimme. Oh. Yeah, we were snow plowing. Has some good snow plow action. I don't know what she's doing over there. Woo! Alright, so we had to get a little creative with this setup, so I don't want the blue hose, so we're gonna put that in there. And use one off our shelf here just so it's a little bit cleaner. Black looks better than bright blue in my situation. Then we have our coolant crossover here. I'm gonna have to fix that. Right now she's just flopping around, so we're just gonna tuck that for now and cross that bridge when we get there. But that's the intake. Again, I have no idea how this is supposed to be a thing, but that's how we're doing it. Looks very incorrect, but I mean, if it works, I guess it works. I might have to maybe do a Google or two, but this is how we're running it. Tighten everything down. Blue filter, again, not ideal, but it's a filter, so what could go wrong? Also, this thing is just packed. Look at this. Oh my God, you poor thing. Go, get out of here. That's Stan. Okay. Ooh, that Jenny looking fresh. This thing, it drives, so I mean, it's got that going for it, yeah. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. This is like a 3-minute install that I dragged out somehow for like close to an hour. This baffled me. I'm confused with no instructions. I never read them anyway, but it would have been nice. I don't know. It's nice out. It's a beautiful day actually. Windows down in March in Canada. That's a rare one. Honestly, I would love to show you guys what it sounds like, but it's pretty difficult because I have a huge exhaust leak and it just sounds like farts. So even if I tried, you just hear kind of like half pissed off lawnmower noises. It's not great, but I do have to say that you hear a lot more induction noise coming in, especially with the cold air intake. This thing is like paper thin plastic. It's great, absolutely great. I would recommend upgrading the filter so it actually does something. I don't know, this one doesn't look that bad though. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go enjoy this beautiful day in my decent looking, no, this thing looks like turds, my Civic. I'm gonna go drive on a nice day in my Civic. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully tomorrow we're gonna be tearing into the old engine and find out how I blew it up. So catch you then. It's probably gonna be gooder. Yeah.